All right, guys, in this video, I wanted to talk to you about CPA marketing for beginners and the best offers to run in 2019. It's already halfway through the year, but I still get this question a lot of like, what kind of offers do I run? What are the best type of offers to run nowadays? Because as you guys know, the affiliate industry, CPA industry, whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing. It changes really, really fast. And that's why I wanted to make this video to try to clear up any, questions you guys have about what are the best offers to run. But instead of really thinking about what are the best offers to run, it's more about do you have the skill to test an offer and then make it profitable, right? But then there is a strategy of how to find, really solid offers that basically make the whole process a little bit easier for you, okay? So just to let you guys know, it is best to run clean white hat offers. Okay. The reason why is because it's best to invest in the long term. Running dirty campaigns, black hat stuff, cloaking and things like that is a very short-lived process if you get it to work. Okay. It takes just as much work making a white hat offer work than making a black hat offer work. Well, maybe I'm lying because a black hat, you're gonna have to, deal with, guidelines and cloaking stuff that is just completely, it's more of a headache to deal with, to be honest. While white hat offers do have smaller profit margins, they last way longer than a black hat offer. Okay, so don't worry about taking your time to get a white hat offer to work, because the same thing if you run cloaking. But instead of worrying about, hey, is my business going to stop, is Google or is Native or any of these traffic sources, are they going to stop my campaign because I'm not following the guidelines? With a white hat offer, it has longevity, it's more sustainable, and I highly suggest you guys run clean offers. Okay, it's best to play by the rules, because if you can get it to work clean, the campaign can last way longer and be more sustainable, like I just said. Offers like auto insurance, debt, credit, lead generation offers will always make money. They are easier to convert. It's basically just a game of getting the highest quality of a lead. Okay, a lot of these type of offers, they're going to basically want you to have really high quality traffic, because if you're sending them a bunch of junk leads, they really, their advertisers can't make any money off of that. So the best ways to kind of do that is to change your ad copy. Obviously, make sure you're running on sites that are, because if you're running native, which I highly suggest if you're a beginner, you want to run, on the premium sites, right? Well, besides that, e-com offers do well as well. Things like drones. There's those drones are like everywhere right now. They're really, really solid offers. Again, these are all really clean. You're not running any Nutra stuff. You're not cloaking or anything like that. Um, the main thing to take into consideration when choosing offers, no matter what year it is, to be honest, is to get quote unquote insider information. Now, I say this a lot in my videos because it's very important that you guys have, connections inside, right? When I'm talking about affiliate managers, I'm talking about reps, I'm talking about people that see the data in the back end, specifically your affiliate manager, okay? You need to spy and see what your competitors are running today. If you're new and you want to test native, I highly suggest using Adplexity for this, okay? I actually have a discount code in the description below that gets you 30% off lifetime for this amazing tool, okay? I stay in Adplexity every single day. I'm always keeping track on, what offers my competitors are running, what other people are running, the ads, the landing pages, etc., right? Because you always want to make sure that you are always keeping track of what's out there. Don't always think that your campaign is going to be the best. Continuously test. Always be testing. That's what you do as a media buyer. You always have to be testing to try to improve your campaigns, because I guarantee you, if you stopped testing, your competitors are keep testing and they're going to get higher ROIs and they're just going to chew you out. Always keep testing, guys, okay? And of course, the people that really know the best offers at the moment will always be your affiliate managers. Like I said, guys, they see all the back end data, they see the sales per day, they see the EPCs, they see the conversion rates, right? So ask them which offers are doing well on the traffic source you intend to run. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend running on REVCONTENT since they are affiliate friendly and you don't need a large budget. Okay, with REVCONTENT, you don't have to worry about getting your ads denied, your landing pages denied. They are affiliate friendly. Okay, it's not like running on Facebook or Google where you have to have, certain types of images or, ad copy that's not as aggressive. Like REVCONTENT is affiliate friendly. They know what we do. And I actually created a full step-by-step course on launching wildly profitable campaigns there from beginning to end. Okay, if you want, you can go ahead and get the course in the description below. I have just completed it just for you guys. Grab a copy of it, learn, take action, because I promise you, I can guarantee you that if you take action, you are going to get the necessary skills to make you a very successful affiliate. Okay, guys, so just to wrap up the video, the best offers to run in 2019, it doesn't matter about what year it really is. It matters of how well you know how to get this insider information, your relationship with your affiliate managers, right? How you spy on your competitors, how you spy and see what's out there running, right? Using Adplexity if you're running native, right? Going on websites that have, the ads that you're actually, looking to spy on, right? That's how you guys find the best offers. And sometimes, guys, it's just a game of testing a great amount of offers. Like in the course I mentioned that you want to run at least 3 to 4 different offers in the beginning to see which one performs best. Okay, I'm not gonna get too into that because I don't want to go off topic, but if you guys want a little bit more information on how to set it up, how to spy, how to track, everything that you need to become a successful affiliate, I have it all in the course. Okay, guys, and don't forget to grab Adplexity for 30% off. I have everything you need in the description below. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, comment your biggest struggles that you have as an affiliate, or whatever type of business that you're in, and I will gladly help and make a video regarding your question. Okay, guys, once again, this is Branden Sanchez. I will see you in the next video.